The first decision to make when buying a sauna is location, outside or inside.
And then taking a look at our ready-to-go range. Or if you need something more bespoke, we can help with that too. Then it's a choice between Finnish or infrared. A Finnish sauna like this is more common and can reach much higher temperatures. You have a stove with hot rocks that you can pour a splash of water onto for a quick blast of heat, for a really traditional experience.
Infrared saunas operate at a lower temperature, but they still heat the body to the same degree. They're popular with people into their fitness or who want to relieve muscular pain. For all our saunas, we have 3 layout options. A, which is a single glass door.
B, with glass panels across the front, or C, with glass panels across the front and side.
All of our glass is available in clear or with a tint of bronze.
Cladding is the timber finish for the walls and trim, and you've got 2 options.
Finnish spruce, grade A and sourced from Finland. This classic sauna wood gives an authentic pine aroma and is a more cost-effective option.
Or the Canadian hemlock, which has far fewer knots for a more premium finish.
Then it's time to choose your furniture, which includes the benches, the backrests and the floor mats. They're available in 2 options.
Our spruce bench kits are very traditional with hot spots, so bring a towel.
Or a beachy. A beachy is our not free option. It's less dense, stays cooler to the touch and doesn't have hot spots. It's also available with built-in panels.
All our saunas are supplied with oceanic wall-mounted heaters. For a saunarium, a mini steam generator can be added to certain cabins. Some of our saunas are also available with our premium Apollo floor standing heater, which can be supplied with its own steam unit.
You can also add a mini steam generator to your infrared sauna, allowing you to enjoy the benefits of aromatherapy. Next is choosing your controls. Built-in controls are standard and come with most of our Finnish saunas.
If you want to control lights and other functions, you may prefer our external keypad.
We have touchscreen options and Wi-Fi control options, making preparing your sauna easier and more convenient. We send an accessory pack with all traditional cabins with essentials to get started.
In traditional and infrared saunas, you can enhance your experience with lighting kits, Bluetooth speakers, and aromas made from essential oils.
You're good to go. We hope these steps have been useful.
You can build your dream sauna on our website and see the results as you go.